Okay, this is how you solve for the volume of a cube and a cuboid. Okay, so for a cube, you should know, like just like a Rubik's cube, all sides are equal. The length, the width, the height are all equal. So technically, it's a three-dimensional square, diba? So a three-dimensional square is basically called a cube. And when you mean by a cube, all dimensions are the same length. So for example, if this is 4 centimeters, this should also be 4 centimeters. And everything around is 4 centimeters. Kahit lahat ng measurement dimensions pa yan. And for a cube, we call these dimensions as edge. Just like the edge of a building, the edge of a roof, the edge of your table, the edge of your chair. So, edges, yung sharp part, this is the edge. Okay, yan ang edge natin. Yan ang mga edges. Okay? So that's what you mean by edge. Not edge to. Okay? Just edge alone. Okay. So, all you have to do is to take the edge and multiply it by itself 3 times because it says here edge cube or edge multiplied by edge multiplied by edge. Like what I've said earlier, multiplied to itself 3 times. Not multiplied by 3, but multiplied to itself 3 times. Okay? So, since you have the edge as 4 centimeters, so that's just 4 centimeters multiplied to 4 centimeters multiplied to 4 centimeters, which will give you, at first, 4 times 4 muna tayo, which will give us, 4 times 4 will give you 16 centimeter squared multiplied to 4 centimeter alone. And doing so, 16 centimeters squared multiplied to 4 centimeters is equivalent to 64 centimeter cube. Okay? So, ganyan lang ang pag-solve natin when it comes to an edge. Now, what if it's a cuboid? Technically the same. It's just that in this case, we don't call them edge. But we have certain specified names for them, such as length, width, and our height. And solving for the cuboid, volume of the cuboid is equivalent to length times width times height. So in this case, what if we have a certain value? For example, let's say we have 8 centimeters here. Cannot write. Okay, wait lang. Of course, because I'm on my eraser. So that's 8 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters, and this, let's say this is also 4 centimeters. Okay. So, all you have to do is just to get the details. For length, you have 8 centimeters multiplied to 4 centimeters, which is your width, and your height, which is also 4 centimeters. Kung mapapansin natin, 8, we got it from here. Our width is from here, and your height is from here. Kasi when you're solving for a cube, always remember, you just need to look for the length, the width, and the height. And further complications when it comes to word problem na yung mag-involve sa further solving. So anyway, solving for this one, that's 8 times 4 times 4, which will give us 128 centimeter cube. Ganyan lang. Okay, so that's basically how you solve for the volume of a cuboid and a cube.